Hello, this is Chanakya Joshi from Get a Connect, and you are listening to the CLO Talks. Our mission is to help you use learning for real business outcomes. In the last episode, we found out the impact of external trends on your business model, identified key capabilities that will make your company outperform. These capabilities will be nothing but your competitive advantage. We also learned how to build those capabilities into your organization so that you can deliver your competitive advantage on the ground. To make this systematic, we learned how to build a capability model for your organization. It is going to help you manage your capabilities much better. Focus on core capabilities and avoid spending unnecessary energies on capabilities which should be outsourced. Let's go to the next step and find out how we can institutionalize execution using these business capabilities. But before that, a reminder about this podcast. Our mission is to help you use learning for real business outcomes, and we are going to cover each and everything step by step to help you reposition your L&D, build learning funnels to scale up your business and achieve that mission. To ensure that you don't miss out on the future episode, do follow or subscribe to this podcast and continue this journey to revitalize your L&D. Coming back to the topic. Mr. Narayan Murthy had once said that strategy is 5% of the times, 95% of the times it is execution. Today, we will learn something which will help you do that execution much better. Look at the best examples of real-time execution excellence around us. The sports. Yes, let's look at sports. What makes a great team? Each member is a part of the playing team because they have some skills, but only skills don't make them a great team. To make a great team, each player must be clear of his or her roles, that too in real time. In addition, while performing, they should be given what they need when they need it. That's what playbooks do. That is the reason many times we see a fully loaded team with all the superstars in it lose against a team of no superstars, so-called underdogs. Only individual superstars won't make a great team. Successful teams have playbooks. Sports team and corporate teams are no different. If we want a corporate to execute excellence, let's copy the best practices from sports. Let's build our own corporate playbooks for specific capabilities. Every successful team has playbooks, which makes them a great team. Similarly, every successful company should have corporate playbooks to make it a great company. Let's look at what should corporate playbooks cover. Number one, skills training. Corporate playbooks should train and certify required team members on the required skills. Number two, role clarity. Corporate playbooks should give clarity about the roles and responsibilities to the team and update the same in real time as and when needed. Number three, provide what they need when they need it. Corporate playbooks should be a go-to location where your team members can easily access the required knowledge base. So what are the examples of corporate playbooks? Corporate playbooks can be sales playbook, marketing playbook, digital transformation playbook, quality playbook, supply chain playbook, HR playbook, customer support playbook, data management playbook, customer onboarding playbook, channel partners management playbook, change management playbook, compliance playbook, new joinee onboarding playbook. In short, any of your core capability playbook. Let's not just build skills, build teams. You must have comprehensive corporate playbooks for all your identified core capabilities. That's what will make your company a great company. So spend more time on building your corporate playbooks. Once they are ready, you're on your path to make your company a great company. I hope this episode was useful to you. You'll find all the required text and related links in our newsletter called the CLO Journal. There is a single link in the description below which will open the door to all the relevant links to our newsletters available on different platforms. We will continue our journey to use learning for real business outcomes in future episodes with further more insights and cover the whole gamut of corporate L&D and start moving towards L&D 2.0. Thank you for listening and see you in the next episode. Till then, outlearn and think of how you can reposition your L&D